Hi everyone, in today's video I'll be talking about arbitrage trading. So if you are interested in learning what arbitrage trading means and how you can make money from it, please ensure you watch this video to the end as I'll teach you the basics. So without any further ado, let's hop into the video. Welcome to my channel Crypto Real. My name is Tunde and I want to talk about arbitrage trading. Let me make this disclaimer. Anything I say, I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is for educational and entertainment purpose only. Arbitrage trading is simply the buying and selling of assets in different markets to make profit due to difference in prices. So it could be within the same exchange, it could be using different exchanges in the sense that you're buying it at a low price and then immediately selling it off at a higher price. So that's just basically arbitrage trading. Arbitrage trading is that it's usually low risk. The risk of you losing your money is very slim. Of course, trading crypto is risky, but with arbitrage trading, the chance of you losing your money is very slim, in the sense that you are buying immediately and you're selling off immediately at a higher price. So that's just arbitrage trading. So in this video I'll be showing the methods you can use, the different ways you can use in getting asset at a cheaper price and selling it off at a higher price immediately, so you make your profit. Usually, like any other financial market, like crypto, anything low risk in crypto usually involves low profit. But if it's low profit and then you can keep doing it like maybe 5-10 times in a day, I think it could gather to increase over time and then become something huge. That's my own personal thought. But generally the profit is usually low. That's why a lot of people don't get involved in it. But it's stable if you're sure, and then the risk of you losing your funds are very low, then I think it's encouraging somehow. Well, as you can see my screen now, I'm checking the price for the crypto asset Doge. Yes, the meme coin Doge. So going through the list, you can see that fairly the prices here are just constantly around 0.13 on Binance, Gate.io. Then the rest, just averagely 0.13. Then you keep scrolling, you keep scrolling. When you scroll down, you see that some exchange has the price of 0.14, like Liquid here. Liquid has the price of 0.14. That's arbitrary. That's where the arbitrary trading comes in the sense that I'll buy it from one exchange at a cheaper price, then I'll go to exchange like Liquid where the price 0.14, then I'll sell it off there immediately. That way I'm making my profit. So but the downside of this is that usually it involves multiple exchanges. Let's say I'm buying it from Binance, then I have to go and sell it on Liquid. Yes, the price difference is different. Like Binance price is lower, then Liquid is higher, then I could make profit here. But the downside is that it requires a lot of exchanges. What if it's not Liquid? What if the next time I'm looking for another exchange that has a higher price and it's different exchange entirely? So I'll need a KYC, I'll need a registration process again. It's very stressful. So that's why a lot of people don't engage in it in the first place. Another thing is a lot of these changes have withdrawal fees, in the sense that when you try to withdraw, they have the percentage. Some exchange will charge 0.2 from the small profit. So on the long run, after trading, you might not gain up to like maybe 5%, which is very small. But 5% is huge too. If you keep going, like maybe you do it like maybe 5, up to 10 times, then the profit will keep increasing, and then from small it could become something huge. Another method of arbitrage trading is some exchanges will list that, okay, we are listing new coins. So, and immediately they list the coins, the price will spike. There will be increase in spike on that particular exchange alone before other exchanges will catch up. So you understand? So arbitrage opportunity there means that I will buy an asset from an exchange, then immediately the new exchange want to list the coin, I'll go there, sell it off, make my profit, and I'm out of the game of the market. So this is my KuCoin interface, and as you can see here you can see that I wrote new listing. So immediately you click on new listing, they will show you the list of asset that they want to list and the date you should be expecting the listings. So look at this one now. This is Voxel. They said 10 p.m. UTC. I think has been listed already. Then when you go to the next day, like maybe 19, they're telling us that we should expect a particular new asset on 10 o'clock tomorrow, like on 19th around 10 o'clock. Look at the time UTC. So one thing about this listing and the advantage for arbitrage trading is that immediately they list it, there's always spike in price. So if you have bought it already on a different exchange, immediately there's spike in price, you come here, send it here, you sell it off, then you make your profit, then you're out of the market. Well, as you can see here, Voxel was listed just a few hours ago, today 18th of April. So let's go through Voxel's chart so you can see what I'm talking about. So let's open the voxels. So this is the chart. You can see from the chart here. Okay, let me change the time frame to maybe 5 minutes, so we could see. You can see from the chart here that immediately it was listed, there was a spike in price. There was so imagine I have that particular asset in an exchange. Immediately they list it. I'll come here, sell it off, then I'll make my profit. There was a spike in price. After spiking in price, they now start dropping off. When I'm out of the market, when I sell off, then I'll make my profit. Then that's all. So that is the advantage for crypto traders in the terms of within exchanges. But it could be a little bit risky in the sense that if your network is too slow, or maybe you didn't sell off quite early before the listing and stuff like that, immediately you enter the market, you could start dipping. So that's why you need to be very, very careful and make sure you're doing it very, very fast. But arbitrage trading, you can make cool cash and the risk is very, very low. Apart from KuCoin, virtually all exchanges have a kind of like announcement or make and a notice before listing a coin. So usually Binance Own is usually on this tab here when you see that okay, we are listing so coin. So immediately a project that you are listing it, you go to other exchanges that they are available, maybe centralized or decentralized exchange, you buy them at hand. Immediately they list it, there's a spike in price, you sell it off. Another way of doing arbitrage trading, especially for we in countries like Nigeria where our ATM card has been banned, is getting asset like maybe USDT stable coins from cheaper price from other sources. Is getting stable coins like USDT from outer sources at a cheaper price, in the sense that due to the fact that our ATM card has been banned and we cannot purchase asset directly with our bank details, we buy from P2P, and usually P2P price is very, very high. So arbitrage trading in the sense that if you should buy from other sources, like maybe people who are any through PayPal, through Pioneer, Skrill, Nutella, they just sell at a fairly lower price. They do sell at most of the time they sell at the official price. So we buy at the official price of maybe $4 or $4.50 per dollar. Then you coin your Binance, you tell it that you sell it around $5.90, you sell it around $600 per $1. You are making at least 20 to 30 naira. So imagine if you are trading about $1,000, that's huge profit. So that's another source of which people make profit. So how do you gain money for that source? You go through, you run advertisements, you go through Facebook, you go through WhatsApp forums, then you paste that okay, you buy PayPal funds, you buy Skrill, you buy Nutella, you buy Pioneer funds. These people will sell it to you at a cheaper price. When they sell it to you at a cheaper price, send it to your wallet, then you coin your Binance, you sell it at a higher price, you make your profit. The advantage of this is that you don't even need to have the money presently at that moment. Let's say someone send like maybe $1,000 to you, and then you don't have that kind of money. You just immediately come here on Binance P2P, go to the sell section. Let's say you're selling USDT, you go through the list. Anybody that's willing to buy 1,000 USDT, you sell it off immediately. After selling it off immediately, you remove your commission, then you send the balance back to your customer. So it's that very easy. That way you're making a profit. This is something I've been doing for quite some time and I've been making profit from it. I know you'll be like, is it really possible to get these stable coins from? It's very, very possible, considering the fact that there are a lot of freelancers here in Nigeria that they don't even know. Some of them don't even know Binance P2P exists. Some of them don't know how to sell their funds out. So it's that simple. Once they send it to you, you sell it off, you make your profit. If there's any question, please drop in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and then like, share, so that way when I drop new videos, you'll be notified by YouTube. Another method I want to talk about when it comes to Binance, when it comes to arbitrage trading, is the surest method. That's why I say you should watch the video until the end, because the end is always the spiciest. So the surest method is right here on Binance P2P. So I've made a previous video before talking about how you can set ads on Binance P2P. A lot of people don't seem to get it, but I'm talking about it again in this video. So don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share. So without any hesitation, so how do you make money here on Binance P2P? So let's say right here on P2P, I want to make money using BNB for instance. So you just go scroll down. So what the sell section simply means is that if you have any asset in your wallet, come sell it to me, then I'll transfer the money to you to your bank account. So that's just the sell section. So what you see here are ads, and then there are different merchants, different prices, different limits. That okay, I'm buying from so amount and above. Just come sell to me, then I'll send them on different payment methods and stuff like that. So this is the sell section. You can come and place ad here. It's free of charge. you're not paying anybody to do so once you have a verified Binance account. So one thing these merchants do is that immediately people say to them here on this session, they'll go and sell it off. They'll still sell it off right here on Binance, guys. So these guys are making their daily profit. They are making, some of them take this as a full job. They take this as a full-time job. They don't have any other thing they're doing, because this is what they do. Basically, this is what they do for a living. So once people come to sell asset to them on Binance, as you can see during the sell session here, the price is usually very, very low. Look at, for instance, now this price we're having 237, 200, 237, 100, 237, 100. Then these same guys, after buying it here, they'll go to the buy section. They'll place ads here. Once they place ads here, people will come buy from them at a higher price, slightly higher than the sell section. A lot of people don't know this trick, but this is what these guys do to make money. This is what I've been doing. I did this for a very long time, and then it was actually paying me. So those guys will buy around 237, 100. They'll come here. Some of them will go as far as selling it around 239. Some of them will go as far as selling it around 240. So that's like making a profit. So once people come buy from them, those people sell money to their accounts. Then the cycles goes again. They'll still go and place ads in the sell section. They'll buy from people. They'll still come here and then sell it off again. So the question is, how can you do it yourself? Simple. You just place ads in the sell section. Once you buy from people, you come to the buy section to where people buy from you. So it's that simple, guys. As you can see towards the down section here, this place, there's what they call ads. So when you click on ads, then these are my previous ads. I don't do it. They're not active. I've closed everything, but it's been a while I traded here on Binance P2P. So, but one thing is, you should be able to place your ad by clicking this plus sign here. You should be able to place both sell ads and then buy ads and everything. You should be able to place both sell ads, buy ads and everything. So if you want to learn how to place your ad, please contact me directly for that one, because you need a private personal coaching, in the sense that you be careful with scammers, and then I will teach you how to place ads, what is the best price and everything. I can't be talking everything here in the video. It doesn't cost me to teach anything here, but the video will be too lengthy and it's complex, in the sense that a lot of people might not get it. So reach out to me. I'll drop my WhatsApp number in the description below. Reach out to me on WhatsApp. Then I'm not charging you for this. I'll teach you absolutely free. So the goal here is for all of us to make a profit, guys. So reach out to me on WhatsApp or Twitter, then I will attend to you and personally teach you how you can make post your own ad, so people can sell to you and you can sell to others too. That way you can make your profit, just going through the cycle again and again. Before you know it, you're making about 30 to 40k per day. Another method you can use for arbitrage trading is what we call the spot futures arbitrage, in the sense that you come to Binance here, you spot a particular asset in the hope that it will go up, then you sell it off. But at the same time, when you are spotting, you're also trading it on futures. So that way, once you are trading on futures, you are shorting it on futures. So if you don't know what shorting means you are predicting that, okay, this particular asset will go down in futures. But on spot trading, you are spotting it, in the sense that you are buying it and you are hoping that, okay, the price will go up. So what this does is that if the price should increase, you are making profit in your spot. Of course, you bought it and you hold it at a lower price and you sell it at a higher price. But if at all the price should not go the way you think, that maybe you see the price is dropping, then you're still making profit by shorting it in futures. So that's why it's called spot futures arbitrage. So it's either you're making profit doing spot or you're making profit doing futures. That way you're not losing on both sides. So the profit is usually very small, but it's a safe way. And then, like I said, arbitrage is very low risk. So this is why a lot of people do this. Another method people use in trading arbitrage is using other softwares and websites like Atani, using COTP, especially COTP. I'm thinking of doing a review on COTPs. Guys, I'm not trying to say these are best softwares or maybe you should engage in this. Like I said, it's just for educational purposes. You make your own research and then you be able to decide on the long run if you should venture into this. And then, of course, crypto trading is very, very risky. So it means if you're trading with your spare money, and I'm not your risk manager, I'm not your financial advisor and stuff like that. But these are stuff that I know that I've been doing. These are stuff that a lot of traders are doing, arbitrage trading. Apart from the conventional sports and futures trading, and these are kind of like a low risk and a very sure way of making profits. So I hope you get it, guys. So that's it for this video. I hope you get 1 or 2 values from the video. If you have any questions, drop in the comment section below. Remember to subscribe, like and share. See you in the next video. Peace out.